Well, with our brand new windows installed across the entire house, we have a significant upgrade that we're going to put in. Window tint and window film. It's an excellent product. And Brent, you're here to actually show me how to install it.
Yes, sir. I've already cleaned and prepped the window and got it ready for you.
Right.
I've already got the liner peeled and the film sprayed.
Okay,
so
very simple.
This is the next step. You get rid of the liner.
Right.
You make sure the adhesive is good and wet.
Uh-huh. Let me get in on this process. What do we do next here? We smooth it out?
You grab that. You wet the surface.
Okay.
You line that top edge up.
Right.
And put it on there and push as hard as you can.
And then we're going to trim the edges, right?
Correct. That's the tricky part.
Obviously, I shouldn't be doing this. This is all about having a professional come in and do this, right?
Correct.
Tell me about the advancements in the materials.
The difference used to be people had dyed products or metallized products. Now they're using ceramic products. Ceramics block infrared heat that regular films never blocked before. The advantage of ceramic, you can go with a lighter product like this that lets in 50% of the light, but still gives you 50% heat blockage. This is the Trinity series from Rayno. What we're going to be doing upstairs is going to be the clear security film. They have different products for different applications. And
that's really great, especially out here. There's no HVAC in this little sunroom.
Right.
And you mentioned a second ago, going upstairs, I definitely want to see what's happening up there because that's Ollie the monkey, my buddy's room.
Exactly.
I want to make sure it looks good.
Exactly.
All right, keep up the good work.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it,
Thank
Brent.
you much.
And we'll check in upstairs.
Yes, sir.